How you guys doing? I got another exciting unboxing coming up. Well, it's not really unboxing because I had to take it out of the box. They were so well wrapped in tape, would have took me too long to do a regular unboxing video. Which is, of course, the Proaim shoulder camcorder DSLR shoulder mount. And I'm going to actually go more in depth on this a little bit later because I wanted to talk to you first about shooting video in particular, because I don't know if you guys remember back to the quite a few years ago, the standard definition tape-based camcorders. When people were shooting their videos, obviously sometimes you'd see it shake a lot, and over the years the technology has gotten a lot better with video stabilization built into camcorders now. Makes the video a lot smoother even if you're moving around a lot, and even in a lot of video editing software. So when you edit post-production, it has built-in stabilization software as well to help take that out. Unfortunately, to me, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. I would rather shoot better video instead of letting the edit software try to take it out. It's a lot better, obviously. There's several ways you can do that. One, use a tripod for your camcorder. That's the easiest and quickest way of doing it. Obviously, it's not very portable. You can only shoot at one fixed point unless you stop and move it and then start shooting again. So if you need to move around, obviously you're going to have to try a different method. And this is one way right here, using a shoulder mount. There's you know, several different types out there. This is actually the Proaim shoulder mount from dvcity.com, and actually the manufacturer that makes this is based in India, believe it or not. And obviously it's got several points. It's going to make your video a lot stable using a shoulder mount here. Obviously this would be one point where it's going to stabilize it, as well as two handles right here. So it's kind of like having three legs on a tripod, and obviously going to make it a whole lot stabler. And with a wide, where the handles are nice and wide or wider, you're going to get a lot of stabilization as well. And I'm going to go ahead and go with this in detail. Obviously you got three parts right here. You got the shoulder pad, the camcorder mounting plate in the center, and then the handlebars in front. Obviously this uses a rail system that connects it all three together. Now let's go over the shoulder mount first. Obviously it's thick, heavy padding on here. And now it looks like it's got some kind of mounting plate right here. It looks like you could put a camcorder on here. Obviously it'd be way too close to the shooter, so this wouldn't be very practical. But it does have three mounting holes. The center hole, which is actually a standard 1/4 inch 20 thread, which camcorders, tripods, and everything use. So you could actually put an adapter, like a cold shoe adapter, and you could put extra battery, wireless audio module right here, different uses, which is very handy. And now it does have two adjustment screws right here. You can loosen and you can move forward and back the shoulder pad. The center right here, which is the camcorder mounting plate, is also adjustable. It has two screws right here. It allows you to move your camcorder forward or back depending on your preferences. And of course it's got a quick disconnect. Well, it's not quite as quick. You can mount your camcorder and take it off quite easily on the most part. Okay, right here. And obviously you got the screwdriver mount right here if you tighten it with. Also uses a standard 1/4 inch 20 thread as well. And then obviously the handlebars, which are fully adjustable with the knob right here. You can move it forward and back on your rail system. And last thing, the handlebars itself, you can set the angle by loosening these threads, which does use a ratchet type system, and once you lock it in place, it's very stable. And in choosing a shoulder mount, I wanted, one of the requirements was it had to have a tripod mount, because I basically want to leave the camcorder on the shoulder mount and then just put it right on the tripod. Obviously, if I didn't have something like that, it'd be a lot of hassle taking the plate off, unscrewing it, put it on the tripod, screwing it back in, and constantly doing that throughout a video shoot. It'd be very aggravating. So you actually got two ways you can mount it to a tripod. One is on the shoulder mount itself. Now there's a little plastic piece that needs to be removed first right here, but it does have a dovetail fitting, which is pretty standard among professional tripods. Also has a dovetail fitting, so you just slide that into the mount. Another way is right at the bottom of the camcorder mount itself. The bottom plate actually has 6 holes. Now 4 of them are the standard 1/4 inch 20 thread, like most of the cameras and stuff. So you could mount a mounting plate from a tripod right down here, and you could set it right on the tripod itself, what I'm going to show you right after I get through with the demonstration here. And I really like this mount because it's very solid, very durable. I could probably actually hammer nails in with it and don't have to worry about getting tore up. The least thing amount that I like about it is it tends to be a bit heavy for a shoulder mount. And looking at the specifications, the shipping weight was actually listed at 8 pounds. So you could take about a pound away for the shipping material, still be 7 pounds, which is a bit heavy. Now that was probably due because it's not really made out of aluminum. If they did make it out of aluminum, it'd probably be a third to half the weight of what it is right now. But obviously, since aluminum is more expensive, it probably would have added a couple $100 to the price. This one's about $250, so that's probably the reason why they did that. Besides that, let me go ahead and get the tripod and show you how that works. Okay, here we have the tripod plate, mounting quick release plate right here, mounted to the bottom of the Proaim shoulder mount right here, using that silver screw, which is a dovetail design. And we're going to go ahead and put that on the tripod. Just like so, and we can tighten it down. And obviously you can just use it right on the tripod, just like that. And then if you need to take it off real quick, there you go, just like so.